What's up, guys? Today we're going to look at the 5 best 60% mechanical keyboards on the market for this year. We will show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Razer Huntsman Mini. The Huntsman Mini, a prominent 60% gaming keyboard, stands out as a top choice in its category. It employs Razer's optomechanical switches, which, although I wasn't particularly fond of in the past, have undergone improvements that significantly enhance the typing experience. This keyboard offers a quiet and smooth operation with a responsive touch. However, it's important to note that individuals who prefer a more tactile and springy key feel might need to explore other options. It's worth mentioning that the Huntsman Mini is not a wireless keyboard, so when on the move, it's essential to keep a USB-C cable handy. This gaming keyboard is also available in a white color variant, making it a more decor-friendly addition to your setup, especially when you choose to customize the LED lighting effects. Number 2. HyperX Alloy Origin 60. For those who tend to type with a bit more force and demand a rugged compact gaming keyboard, the HyperX Alloy Origin 60 is an excellent choice. This mechanical keyboard boasts a metal baseboard, making it exceptionally solid and durable. However, it's important to note that this sturdiness comes at the cost of added weight, making it a less ideal choice if you're prioritizing a lightweight travel option. One standout feature of the HyperX Alloy Origin 60 is its thoughtful placement of the secondary arrow functions. Unlike many other 60% keyboards that tuck these functions away in the middle, this keyboard positions them at the bottom right of the deck, where users would traditionally expect to find them. This design choice enhances user convenience and accessibility, further contributing to the keyboard's appeal. Number 3. Razer Blackwidow V3 Mini Hyperspeed. Razer's Blackwidow V3 Mini keyboard maintains the brand's reputation for delivering a top-notch gaming experience. In contrast to the other keyboards on this list, the V3 Mini is a 65% keyboard, meaning it retains arrow keys and a column of additional keys on the right side, which can serve as macro buttons. The keyboard offers 2 switch types to cater to different typing preferences: clicky and tactile, green, or linear and silent, yellow. It's essential to note that even with the linear and silent designation, the V3 Mini's typing remains noticeably audible to those in your vicinity. This might be a consideration for those looking for a more discreet experience. Number 4. Corsair K65 RGB Mini. Corsair is renowned for producing high-quality keyboards, but the K65 RGB Mini, its foray into the 60% keyboard market, doesn't quite meet the same standards. The keyboard's materials and overall durability left room for improvement, with a plastic casing that felt hollow, and keys that emitted a ringing noise when struck. Despite these shortcomings, it's not entirely without merit. For users already invested in Corsair's iCUE software, it might make sense to consolidate their accessories within a single customization suite to streamline the user experience. This can help avoid the inconvenience of switching between different interfaces. However, if this isn't a top priority for you, the HyperX Alloy Origin 60 stands out as a superior budget-friendly alternative for a 60% keyboard. Number 5. RK Royal Kludge RK61. The RK Royal Kludge RK61 is a wired 60% mechanical gaming keyboard with RGB backlighting and hot-swappable blue switches in a white color variant. It offers a compact form factor, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize portability and desk space. The hot-swappable switches allow users to easily customize their typing experience without soldering, offering greater flexibility in switch choices. The blue switches are known for their tactile feedback and audible click, which can be a preference for some typists, especially gamers. The RGB backlighting adds a touch of personalization and aesthetics to your setup, allowing you to choose from a range of lighting effects and colors to match your style. Overall, the RK61 is designed for those who value a smaller, more minimalist keyboard layout without sacrificing the key features and aesthetics commonly associated with gaming keyboards. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, Please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.